Hi all, welcome to another session of Cloud Integration Series. In our today's session, we'll talk about Internet of Things. In today's world, the way of living have been changed a lot. Things have become very smart. Our daily routine have become smart. Things have changed a lot that say you wanted to have a hot shower and so you turn on your geysers right from your office sitting in your chair. Your calendars tell you the right time to leave for your home to avoid traffic. Your smart refrigerators alerts to buy the required groceries on the way to your home. And as soon as you enter your home, the lights are turned on. And the thermostat has already adjusted the temperature for you. Your smart watch tells you how many steps you have taken for that day. Your mattresses tell you how much you have slept. It is everything. It tells you everything. So this is Internet of Things. A networked world of connected devices, objects and people. It describes physical objects that are embedded with sensors, processing ability, software, and other technologies that connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the internet or other communications network. So, the IoT is a scenario in which objects, animals, or people are provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human interaction. So IoT can connect anything, anywhere, anytime. You can see here, IoT connects everything, everything. Smart systems and Internet of Things are driven by a combination of three things. That is sensors, second connectivity, and third is people and processes. Sensors and actuators, so these are similar to the sensory organs we have, like say eyes that we see, nose we smell, and skin we feel the touch. Similar to that, we have similar to the sensory organs, we have sensors to sense everything. And connectivity. As the organs are all connected to the brain, these sensors are connected and will be pushing the data to a cloud platform, something which is sitting remotely. And people and processes. And as we take a decision, say I'm driving a car, and this that information is passed to my brain. And if somebody crosses the road, I understand and sense there is a danger, and so my brain processes it and takes a decision to put on the brakes. That is people and processes. We can program the system to act in a way that is beneficial and required for the task to be done. Right? So let's discuss in detail about this. So let's first start with sensors. So we have sensors for anything and everything. We are giving our world a digital nervous system. So eyes and ears are using cameras and microphones along with sensory organs that can measure everything, say from temperature to pressure changes, etc. There are different types of sensors. So for say for example for sensing presence, for sensing motion, temperature, humidity, sound, gas, water flow, everything. Right? So these sensors are used in the hardware devices to gather the data. Then next we have connectivity. So all this information from the sensors is going to be pushed to a cloud network. In order to do that, we are going to use the networks. We are going to use the data layer, physical layer, application layer, and link layer. We have different protocols like PAN, LAN, WAN, and data link layer, etc. We have Ethernet and Wi-Fi connectivity to application layer. We have TCP by IP, HTTP, and other protocols specific to IoT. And finally, we push this information to the cloud database. And since the cloud now has the information, we can program on that cloud, and from there we can control other devices and use this information however benefits you. Right? So then we have people and processes. Once we get that massive information, we can define on what have to be done. Let us take an example. Let's say we have a sensor that tells you how much is the light and what is the temperature. And this information is sent to cloud. And say you have an API that is connected to your mail account. If the light goes below certain temperature, an email alert is sent to you stating, "Hey boss, light has gone below this degree. Do you want to switch on the light?" So here, in order to do this, we are using an array of technologies, APIs, platforms, physical, tangible, intangible things, etc. So with this, I can control set of devices. Um, I can control the entire city. That's great, right? With IoT, I can control the entire city. How future of IoT is going to be? So here you can see IoT is being used everywhere. Agriculture, energy consumption, security, building, smart homes, everyday things. So you'll see Internet of Things being used everywhere. We can see here everyday things get connected for smarter tomorrow, right? So the future of IoT prediction is going to be something like this. By 2025, you'll see a huge growth in IoT connections. So that's about our today's session. Thank you.